Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. In this quick video, I'm going to talk about how we can customize the recent file list. Yep, you heard it right. In FreeCAD, you can even customize the recent file list. Because many times what happen is, let's say when you are working with a large assembly, we really want to see all those recent child parts. And in certain softwares, because let's say they are not showing the entire list, it became sometimes hard to find out the part that we are looking for. So let's see how we can customize it. For that, we can go on the top in edit, then go below in preferences. Now here in general, you need to look for size of recent file list. And then from here, you can increase this number count to the number that you want. Okay. Let's say you want to see the recent 15 files. So here instead of 4, I kept it 15. Now let's hit OK. Now the recent file list will make sure that it remembered the top recent 15 files that you have worked with. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. Subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow the complete FreeCAD series, and I will see you around.